Legalism is easy. God's kind of good is much harder. Legalism is easy. I can handpick a few laws that are easy for me to follow and say, I'm a good person. God accepts me. And this is interesting. Someone says, I'm a good person. Usually what follows next is, I'm not nearly as bad as that guy is, right? So I must be good. See, legalism is easy for us. The kind of good that God wants done is a different thing. And it's harder for us unless the Spirit of God is alive within us. Legalism is a certain kind of virtue signaling. That's the phrase that we hear more often than not right now, virtue signaling. What do we mean by that? When we virtue signal, we can say the right things. We can do the minimal requirements to be seen as good by other people and claim the moral high ground and live like demons. Because we can build the right kind of candy coating shell, say the right things on social media, deceive the right number of people with the right kinds of words and live any way we want to live. That's legalism. That's virtue signaling. It is so easy that the most evil people among us do it, right? But the kind of good that God is after, the kind of good that Jesus Christ brings into this world and confronts us with is something completely different. Now, speaking about the way you and I lead our lives as people who follow Jesus Christ, what about the kind of good that we do that is only for the glory of God alone?